Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. In today's video I'll show you two very beautiful mug cakes recipe. These are eggless recipes and the first one will be eggless apple cinnamon mug cake and the second one will be eggless banana walnut mug cake. So let's get started.
For the first recipe I have taken 1/3 cup of finely diced apple chunks, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of finely grinded cinnamon. Mix everything well and now we will microwave this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds in microwave, we will add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give all the ingredients a good mix now. Now add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk. Give everything a good mix now. Be a little patient in this process because this might take a while. Everything is now well combined. Scrape the batter from the sides of the cup as well. If you want, you can clean the sides of the cup with the help of a tissue. After that, we will microwave the mug cake for 1.5 minutes. This is how the mug cake looks after 1.5 minutes in microwave. My microwave is 900 watt. Now, depending upon the power of your microwave, you might have to increase or decrease the timing in the microwave for 20 seconds or so. Now we will garnish the mug cake with some chopped apples and sprinkle some cinnamon. If you want, you can optionally add some honey. So our apple cinnamon mug cake is ready. For the second recipe, we need half of a ripe banana, which is mashed, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped walnut and give everything a good mix. Now we will add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything properly to form a batter. You have to be a little patient since it takes a while. Now add little salt and chocolate chips as per your liking. Give everything a good mix again. If you want, you can clean the sides of the cup with the help of a tissue as I am doing now. Top your mug cake with little chocolate chips and now we will microwave it for 1 minute and 40 seconds. So as I told you guys, it took me 1 minute and 40 seconds in my 900 watt microwave. You'll have to adjust the timings by 10-20 seconds depending upon the power of your microwave. Top your mug cake with some bananas. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder and optionally add some honey on the top. So our banana walnut mug cake is ready. Both of my mug cakes are ready. This one is apple cinnamon. I'll take out a scoop and show you. Look at it guys. I don't know whether you can see small apple chunks. It's beautiful and gooey. Now let's have a look at banana walnut cake. Okay, look at it guys. Gooey chocolate chips in between, banana, walnut. It's awesome. Please give this recipe a try. If you like this video, like, share and comment, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.